welcome to Say This, Not That.
I am Marcos.
I am a general contractor.
I manage the job site.
I give the instructions.
And I am Alex. I am a general laborer. I work on the job site. I follow the instructions.
Today, we have a real story. It is a story about a mix-up at work.
A mix-up means something went wrong. Someone did the wrong job. Or the wrong thing at the wrong time.
This happens a lot on job sites, especially when English is your second language.
Today we will show you what happened. We will show you how we talked about it and how we fixed it. Together.
Let's start. First, here is what happened. It was Monday morning. We had a big day. 2 things needed to be done. Number 1, move the lumber from the truck to the back of the building. Number 2, clear the debris from the front of the building. The inspector was coming in the afternoon. The inspector visit was very important. The front needed to be clean. That was the priority. Priority means the most important thing. I told Alex the plan, but I was busy. I talked fast. I did not check if Alex understood.
And I heard Marcos, but I was not sure. He talked fast. I heard the word lumber, so I started moving the lumber. I worked hard all morning. I moved all the lumber. I thought I was doing a good job.
At lunchtime, I walked to the front of the building. The debris was still there. Nothing was cleaned. The inspector was coming in 2 hours. I was not happy. I looked for Alex. Now, listen carefully. I found Alex at the back of the building. I said, "Alex, why is the front not clean?" The inspector comes at 2 o'clock.
I stopped working. I was confused. I said, "I am sorry, Marcos. I moved all the lumber. Like you said."
I took a breath. I did not want to be angry. I said, "Alex, the lumber was number 2. Clearing the front, that was number 1. The priority."
I felt bad, but I was honest. I said, "Marcos, I'm sorry. You talked fast this morning. I heard lumber. I did not understand priority."
I stopped. I listened to Alex. I thought about the morning. I did talk fast. I did not check if he understood. I said, "Okay, Alex, I understand. That is also my fault. I did not explain clearly.
felt better. Marcos did not just blame me. He was honest too.
Now, we needed to fix the problem.
Fast.
I said, Alex, let's work together right now.
We clear the front first.
Then we finish the lumber after the inspection.
I said, yes, I understand. Let's do it.
We worked together. We cleared the front in 1 hour. The inspector came.
The site was clean.
We passed the inspection.
After the inspection, we finished moving the lumber. The day was hard, but we fixed it. Together.
Now, let's talk about what we learned. Lesson 1. For the supervisor.
Do not say the instructions fast and walk away.
Let me explain the plan.
Number 1 is the priority. Do you understand?
Always check. Always ask.
Do you understand? This is not a sign of weakness. This is good leadership.
Lesson 2. For the worker. Do not just start working if you are not sure. Do say, Marcos, can you repeat that? I want to make sure I understand. It is okay to ask. It is not okay to guess. A wrong guess costs time. It costs money. It causes stress.
Lesson 3. For both people.
When something goes wrong,
Do not just blame. Listen. Then fix it together.
Both people can make a mistake. The supervisor and the worker. Good communication is a team job.
Let's review the key phrases.
For the supervisor.
Here's the plan. Number 1 is the priority. Do you understand?
For the worker. Can you repeat that? I want to make sure I understand.
When something goes wrong, let's work together to fix this.
Say these phrases. Practice them. Use them at work.
I am Marcos.
And I am Alex.
Thank you for watching Say This, Not That.
See you in the next episode.